Hello everyone, this is A.THASNI from Department of Computer Science and Designing. So today we are going to see a topic about on the subjects of fundamentals of computer networks, and that we are going to see about the third layer, network layer. So at the network layer, for example, we can think about a scenario called as you send a WhatsApp message to a friend 5,000 kilometer away. It arrives in under a second. How? Actually, how it was sending, like actually this is your message and it gets broken into small packets, and each packet finds its own route independently. At that destination, packets are reassembled and again sent to the receiver. So this is where networking works out. Actually, the roadmap, how it works means, like in the first one is a network layer service, and second one is packet switching explained, datagram versus virtual circuit, network performance, delay types formulas, delay types. So actually what problem does the network layer solve? Actually the network layer provides host to host logical communication, and it moves packet and from any source machine to any destination across interconnected network. So how it works, like the main core problem we see is like how to move the data across a multiple different network, and how to find the best route among many possible paths, and how to handle congestion when the network is flooded, then how to maintain acceptable performance to delay and throughput. Actually, how network layer services, we'll see at a glance. Like first one is packetizing, like we are encapsulate the payload in packets at source, decapsulate at destination. Next one is routing, find the best path from source to destination across multiple network. Next one is error control, like checksum guards the header not full datagram between hops. Next one is flow control, like prevent the receiver from being overwhelmed by its sender sending too fast. Next one is congestion control, like manage situation where too many datagram flood into the network. Next one is security, like IP security, we can say, like adding a virtual connection oriented layer to the protocol connection bus. Next one is service deep dive packaging, like just like a post office wraps your item in a package, and it add a label, address, etc., and it delivers it without opening the content. The same way it will work out. First, through the analogy we see through post office thing, right? In the digital, actually how it works as a data packet, and then it wrapped into digital packet, then IP address labels are added, then packets are sealed and encrypted, then delivered to the device, then receiver device receive the from the device. Next one is packetizing. How it works means, like from the source host we have, then to the through the network, and it is connected to the router, like through RAID header and forward on one, and then it reaches the destination. Like before reaching it will reassemble the fragments and its payload. This is how the structure will be of structure of packet, like source address, destination address, other header info, and payload data. Next one is a routing, like a network layer must find the best route among possible paths in a physical network of interconnected LANs, WANs, and routers. So main key routing concept will be from the routing table, then it forward, then through algorithm it will send through the center. Next one is prototype, like a prototype of packet switching. Like a router is essentially a switch where it connects an input port to an output port, just as an electrical switch, which connects input to let current flow. Here, each packet is treated independently and no pre-established path. Packets may take different routes, and header contains source and destination, and router makes forwarding decision per packet. Then there is a simple scalable used by the internet. Next one is datagram approach, like how connectionless routing works. First one is through message split. Next one is independent send and route decision, and through any path, and it will reassemble the original message. Actually, how it connect means through virtual circuit, which is a connection oriented service. First one, phase one, it will set up a virtual circuit is established. A path is received first. Then each router along the path stores the VC in its table. Next one is data transfer. The packet follow the same established path. Packets carry a virtual circuit DVC and not a full address. And phase three is a teardown part. Like after data transfer, the virtual circuits is torn down. VC entries are deleted from all the router tables. Thank you.